Blake Production.
What is poppin', Wonderfi squad? Let's look at what is happening with this stock. We recently had news that apparently Mogo and another one of the main shareholders of Wonderfi Technologies have decided that they're going to be looking into new management, new CEO, and all that type of stuff, all that jazz. Overall, not really happy with, the the price action here. What's happening with the stock? Look at the rest of the crypto space, right? Look at almost any other name and you'll see a lot better performance, right? You look at the Galaxy Digital Holdings, you look at the DeFi Technologies, you look at the Neptune Digital Assets, you look at MSTR, Coinbase, a bunch of names, okay? They're all severely outperforming Wonderfi. Now, I know I've been very bullish on this in the past. I do still think there is upside, but I've reduced my exposure to Wonderfi significantly. And why I've done that is because I'm starting to think about where is Wonderfi positioned in the grand scheme of things. You're starting to see Coinbase, you're starting to see Coinbase now. They're moving into Canada. They're moving into worldwide, right? That's very bearish for Wonderfi because Coinbase is already a major established crypto exchange. So why would other people want to use Wonderfi Technologies? Why would they want to use BitBuy? Why would they want to use, CoinSquare? Why would they want to use some of these subsidiaries of Wonderfi when you could just use Coinbase, right? Coinbase has more coins available, right? Kraken has more coins available, and it's a trading platform that's available to Canadians as well. So these are just questions that I'm starting to raise. I'm starting to ask, this is a little bit interesting, right? What's going on with this? Now, do I think Wonderfi still has an opportunity for a nice move to the upside? Absolutely. I do think so. I just want to put my eggs into assets that are going to be moving faster versus waiting for my Wonderfi, right? I don't want to have majority of my portfolio in Wonderfi when Galaxy Digital Holdings, DeFi, all those names that I mentioned earlier are performing at a better rate, okay? So let's get into a technical perspective here, okay? This zone, again, this is the area, right? Rejection, we're still under this major zone. If you look at a lot of the other crypto-related stocks, they have kind of broken out of their accumulation phase of the cycle. They've broken out of that. Where Wonderfi is still stuck below, continuously getting rejected at around 30 cents. And we're starting to see the, evening star candlestick patterns develop, the bearish engulfings, a lot of the wicks around this range. It's just not technically there just yet, right? We do want to see, we're going to need to see extreme volume coming in. We're going to need to see, a lot of buying at these ranges. And from right now, what I see is just that's not there. You also want to see a little bit more marketing from Wonderfi Technologies. Like the average Canadian has no idea about this company, right? Very rare. If I ask a friend, where do you hold your crypto? It's mostly Kraken, Coinbase, all these other places. You don't see them saying, I use BitBuy, right? So what I want to see from Wonderfi is I want to see more marketing, man. What's going on with this shit? I want to see them talk about it. I try to... I'm going to come out openly and say that. I tried kind of communicating with Dean Skirka and some of the, Wonderfi team about creating a commercial. Me and a few buddies created a commercial, and we sent it to them, and they kind of ignored it, so that's fine. But it doesn't seem like from a marketing perspective that they're serious about it. I don't really see Wonderfi ads that much. Maybe once or twice in Toronto. I seen, Raptors commercials with BitBuy back when Kyle Lowry was on the team. I haven't really seen much now. So we need to see more things going on with Wonderfi in order for their stock's price to, I think, increase. And again, with what's going on with management, I don't know what is going on entirely over there. But again, one of the probably weaker performers in the asset space. So from a technical perspective, what do we want to see, right? We have this low area right here. We have another higher low developed right here. That's beautiful. Maybe what we want to see is another one get created around this range and kind of create that continuous higher low exposure. That would be bullish. Again, this is the zone. We break up over this. There's really not much resistance in volume in terms of a volume profile perspective above this area. This is the zone right here that's happening, right? If we break above this 30 cent area, I think things can turn really bullish for Wonderfi. In the meantime, what we're going to have to do is essentially be patient and see what they do from a management perspective, a marketing perspective, and how that's going to change. Once we can develop this range, I think their opportunity to continue, to the upside will increase. In the meantime, right, we have to also think from a broader term perspective. Coinbase, Kraken, a lot of these other crypto.com, a lot of these other, exchanges. How is Wonderfi going to compete against them? And what is Wonderfi doing to actually establish a stronger advantage compared to a lot of these names? That's a breakdown. Peace, guys.